Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 30 and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find the security. Now let's tap on the fingerprint option. And as you can see, if you've got the screen lock, you will have to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. If not, your device will ask you to add the new one, so add a backup screen lock like the pattern pin or password. It is very important because if for some reason the fingerprint sensor won't work, then you will still be able to unlock your device with the pattern pin or password. So you really have to do it. Right now you will not be able to add the fingerprint without additional screen lock. So just add the screen lock. If you've got it currently set, just enter it to confirm. And here we've got the info about the fingerprint, so you will be able to authorize the purchases, for example, sign into apps or unlock your phone. So just tap on setup. And here we've got a disclaimer that if we are using the screen protector, then it may affect the sensor. So just tap on got it. And as you can see right here, we've got the sensor, and basically all we have to do is to simply put our finger on it. And right now we have to touch it and lift it, so we have to do it multiple times in order to add our fingerprint fully, and try to catch every corner for better recognition, of course. Alright, and as you can see, we've got the fingerprint added, so we can add another if we want to. If not, just tap on done. Here we've got the fingerprint options. So we've got the fingerprint, we can tap on it and rename it if you want to. So let me do it, because why not? You can remove it also just by tapping on this trash bin icon. You can add another. I believe you can add up to 5 fingerprints. Here we can change the animation style. So we've got the radial waves, we've got the boomerang, and we've got the chroma dial. I will stick with this first option. So now we can go back and actually check if it is working. So let me lock the device, and we will have... Alright, as you can see here, we've got the sensor, so let's put my finger on it, and as you can see, the device is unblocked, which means that we just successfully added the fingerprint to it. So actually this is it. This is how to add the fingerprint in your Motorola Edge 30. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.